JM Kitchen and Bath is a full-service kitchen and bath retailer. And what I mean by that is that we sell cabinets, countertops, appliances, lighting, and tile. And we install all of those products. So we're giving you the design aspect with all the products that you need to do a kitchen and bath remodel. We have a lot of general contractors that we work with to do the remodeling, but we're a full-service firm and that we can provide you everything that you need for a kitchen or bath remodel. JM Kitchen and Bath has been in business for 45 years. Started in Parker, Colorado as a door and trim company. Celebrity Home years ago asked JM to become an installer of kitchen cabinets as well as putting in doors, etc. So that got us in the kitchen business. They eventually asked us to make cabinets, and that started our plant down in Castle Rock. And 15 years ago, my wife and I bought the business. Being a small company requires the ability to change. And we've changed the business model significantly 3 or 4 times over the last 45 years. What drives me about the kitchen and bath business is I love cabinets. And when I moved from just cabinetry into a kitchen and bath company, I got the opportunity to learn appliances and countertops and lighting and tile and put the whole thing together and create spectacular kitchens. And that's pretty fun when you go into somebody's house and their dreams come true.